Show you how to fix Fox Sports sound problem. Just watch and follow this video till the end. Open the settings of your device, click on apps option right now and search for Fox Sports and click on it when you will find it. And after this you should scroll down this list, click storage and click clear cache. Back here, click on force stop, click OK. And come to Play Store or App Store and update Fox Sports. And here now restart here your device and that's all. I hope guys this video was useful. Don't forget to support us by liking and also subscribe in this channel.